Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, James Marketing Tool. In today's clip, I will guide everyone to use the MKT Care software so we can text friends automatically with potential client files. This is the main interface of the MKT Care software. MBT Care software will help us manage large numbers of Facebook accounts. I have over 100 accounts here. In these Facebook accounts, we can use it as a Facebook account normal manual. We will have functions such as go make friends, text, and so on, post, comment. Today I will introduce you to everyone. The part where we're going to send message automatically with a potential client file. So here we have some basic setups of the part send a message. Then send a message in this viral marketing section. First, we will select content. I have prepared all the content. And here's the content. Texting to pull people into my channel. Then press save to choose. Second is number of threads. This number depends on the configuration of the machine. And here we have the setup of each message account. How many people we send to? I'm letting 3 to 5. It depends on the level of trust in the account. We will set up this parameter according to the quality of your account. As I am letting it be 3 to 5 people, in the distance I'm going to stretch a little bit. That's 40 to 60 seconds. That's the distance between the two times it works, the accounts that we operate on. And we'll send a message by UID. These UIDs are the UIDs users of our potential customers. I have scanned it, and people could be scanning out. The first thing we can do is we can scan out these friends. For example, my account is like this. You guys scan out who your friends are. I have 2,000 friends. I scan out friends, what are their UID? Or we can scan out list of groups. For example, this group. We could totally be scanning. Who are the people in here? UID. That. We scan the people in here, and we'll text them. So now I have scanned it out. For pre-scanning these UID lists, and I'll choose random or in order. I'll leave it random. And check this box if you don't want to send a similar UID. The time of photos uploaded to this. And the other part is that we're going to automatically comment on their wall. The walls of the people we text. It's a piece of content. To let they check our messages? It's as simple as that. I'll choose the accounts. Facebook to text. So now I'm going to start. The software will automatically text everyone. And everyone sees. At the end, you can subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get the latest videos. Bye everyone.